Hello everyone, this is your guy again, our Mas. So excited to be here, and today I just want to show you one of the trades that I took. Before the weekend, before this week begins. So I'm just going to show you what I did and how you should also take advantage of that. So guys, let's go into the chart. So as you can see this chart, this is Great British Pound versus Japanese yen. So previously we can see that the market has rallied up, making what we call it, making higher highs and higher lows. You see, making higher highs, higher lows. We get to this high, and the market decided to, to rally down, to rally down. As you can see that I mark with this with the trend line, so the market came and broke this support, so this trend line I make was like the previous support level. The market broke the previous support level, so the market decided to change direction. So assuming this is the lower highs, so now we have a correction of the lower lows, because this lower highs is higher than this lower lows, so now we can see that from this side I decided to do what to sell, but it was on Friday, and what happened, I tried to hold the market. So sometimes slippage happen, and when slippage happen, sometimes the market go against you even though you were not wrong. So I realized that the market took me out, based on sometimes the slippage that happened in the market, something that we cannot avoid. The market took me out, but I realized that my analysis was valid, so I decided to do what to sell again, So this Monday and yesterday Monday, the market rallied to this place, so I was on profit. So I saw that the market made a pullback here and then came here. So I realized that this place was a support level, and there's a chance that this market could continue upwards and take all my profit away. So what did I do? I tried to just close this trade and take my profit and go out of the market. So this Tuesday, this morning, I wake up again. I saw the market has come back to the support level and broke this line. So after the market broke this support level, so that's why I was like, okay, I see that I broke this support level, and it is also below the 21 moving average. So from this level, I decided to do what to sell this morning, on landing section. I sold this market, and I saw that the market came to all this way. So actually, as you can see, my target was, just a second guys. As you can see, my target was this, the next support level. But in this area, there's also a lot of buyers in this area. So in this market, one thing I realized that anything can happen. So I was holding, hoping that this market could go down and hit to my target. But one thing that I realized, and one of the biggest mistakes I used to do, is holding on, refusing to accept what the market gave me, And once you refuse to give and to take what the market give you, what happens is, you never know, the market could just bounce off, and from here it can continue and take all that you made. So I decided to close that trade from here, not because I don't believe in my analysis. I do believe in my analysis, but sometimes you have to understand that the market give you what it wants. So if it give you what it wants and you refuse, sometimes what happens is you end up losing everything. That's where the greed comes in. So guys, let's take advantage of that.